Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to do a quick review on this music stand here. I got it from my son about 6 months ago or so. He plays viola, but he also likes to take it to his grandparents' house and friends or whatever, and kind of show off his skills as he improves. So I wanted to find something that was portable but still super easy to use. So we found this one, and you can see this bag down here in front of me. The stand breaks down really small and fits into that. So I love that. I just recently, the other day, asked him if there was anything that he didn't like about it, or to tell me, basically his opinion of it. And he told me that honestly, there wasn't anything that he disliked about this stand. Some of the things specifically that he did like was these arms here. They have kind of little built-in springs. He said they always hold his books here really stable. He doesn't have to worry about them falling out or anything like that. Then he likes that they can also fold out of the way when he wants to change them. So he can either fold it up on the stand or down out of the way here. So um, he specifically mentioned that. And then I'm going to turn this and show you. So right here it has a knob so you can adjust how that lays, the music stand lays, so you can see it. And then, of course, with it being adjustable, it has a telescoping pole here. So it has 2 points that you can loosen or tighten to adjust the height here. That was one thing that he pointed out to me is that it will, like it doesn't have a stop. It will allow you to pull it all the way out, but it has lines on here so that you want to pay attention to. It says max, and it has it on both poles. So you want to make sure that you have it set at least to around that max line. You don't want to pull it out farther, so that way you can keep the integrity and sturdiness there. So, but it tightens up really easy, like I said, in 2 spots, and then it has the base legs down here that those, kind of same thing. You loosen it up and you can adjust those to put it away really easy. So that's it here, guys. That's everything that he loves about it. So if he plays the music, if he's happy with it, I'm happy with it.